Today we are at brand new Pizza Bro here in Hamilton. We are so excited because they have so many different kinds of pizzas and they do it in such an incredibly different concept. I'm here with Julie, franchise owner. We are talking about how you got into the Pizza Bros world. How did it happen?
Well, I've been looking at pizza concepts for years now,
Okay.
and nothing really kind of stuck out to me. And one day, funny enough, on Instagram, Pizzeria Bros kind of popped up.
Okay.
So the concept is from Montreal, and being from Montreal,
It kind of fascinated you, I'm sure.
I was fascinated. So I went down and met with a couple of the founders. I met with various team members from Pizzeria Bros. So I did about 3-4 different locations, and I absolutely fell in love with the concept. The service was exceptional. The quality of the product was incredible.
Okay.
And most of all, the speed. So, you know, we can deliver a pizza to a customer that walks in, places an order. By the time they finish paying, they have a pizza in hand within 4 minutes.
Incredible.
Yeah, the bake time on the actual pizza, we have specialized ovens, they're electric ovens, but they give it that stone oven cooked flair. It's 90 seconds.
That's
so
amazing.
It was amazing, yeah.
Okay, so you had worked with Mike previously, the other franchise co-owner, and you tried to convince him that this was the way to go, and his initial reaction was like, I'm not doing pizza.
Yeah, he was all against doing pizza. I said, listen, come down to Montreal with me.
Yeah.
You know, sample the product, see for yourself what the concept's all about.
Yeah.
And so he came down, we spent a day. Again, we went to various locations. He got to meet the team members, and he was like, wow, this is incredible. There's nothing really like it for, you know, the freshness of the ingredients, the quality of the pizzas, and the speed.
And you guys have been here just since July, right?
Yeah, we opened July 6th, was our soft opening.
And things are going pretty well.
Yeah, things are going
I've
great.
heard nothing but incredible things about
Thank you.
Pizzeria Bros
Yeah,
here.
we're pretty happy. You know, I think our Google reviews say a lot.
That's good.
And we have a lot of returning customers, which is what you want to see.
Of course.
So we're super happy with everything so far.
Okay, well, they have so many different types of pizzas on the menu, and they also have sandwiches, both of which I am going to assist in making. Fingers crossed they turn out well. That's coming up on Morning Live. Well, we are back at Pizzeria Bros, and they've trusted me to make a pizza. If there's anything wrong with it, it's my pizza. So I guess there shouldn't be a lot of trust involved.
I think you'll be fine. You look like a natural.
Yeah, do I look like I know what I'm doing?
Absolutely.
Okay, so talk to me about some of your menu items while we make this pizza together.
Absolutely. So we're going to start off with the dough.
Okay.
This dough is proofed for 4 days.
Okay.
It's a signature recipe from Pizzeria Bros in Montreal. So super special. It proofs for 4 days.
Have I stretched it enough?
I think a little bit more. So what we're going to want to do is come over onto your hands now. This is the fun part.
Oh,
so
right.
Roll it on your wrist. Oh, look at this. She's done this before. And you're going to roll that around just like that. Maybe give it a toss in the air, get that extra flour off. Oh, you got it. Look at this. Do you need another job? Because
Well, maybe.
We are hiring. So you place it down on your board.
Okay.
Very simply, that's wonderful. Yeah, so we have a lot of selections here. We do everything from a little bit of sauce, great, yeah.
Okay, we do everything.
We do beautiful sandwiches, obviously our pizzas. We do French fries, chicken fingers. We have a great salad selection as well, arugula salad, spinach salad, Caesar salad.
Not that everybody doesn't like pizza, but there are some people out there that would prefer something a little different while everyone else in their party wants pizza.
Well, and there's 5 days in a week, so we're hoping you're here at least 4 of those 5.
Me too, actually. Okay, so I'm making
Something
my favorite
different
kind of
for me.
pizza that you have on your menu. And it's the one with the balsamic vegetables and the goat cheese. That's what I want to make.
Great. So you're going to get a scoop of cheese there?
Just a scoop?
Absolutely. Okay. Level it out.
Scoop of cheese and just plop it on the middle?
Lovely, right in the middle.
Yes.
And you just sprinkle the cheese around.
How come the cheese goes first and not the vegetables?
For some it does. The mushrooms stay underneath, the spinach stays underneath, but
in my pizza, the
for
cheese
us,
goes on first.
Yeah, for the balsamic glaze. So we're going to slide down here.
Okay.
All the way to this side. I'm going to give you a scoop here. So we do a lot of stuff in-house as well. We have our portobello mushrooms. They're marinated in red wine, rosemary. We do our own chilies, so our own chili oil, oregano oil. We do our sauces in-house as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's a proprietary blend for the tomato sauce. The boys in Montreal worked 7 years on it. Yeah, we'll do some goat's cheese now.
Oh, yeah. A scoop?
Yes, please.
Yes. I love goat's cheese.
Goat's
it's
cheese.
My favorite thing ever.
We've done this before, haven't you? You're very good at this.
I don't know about that, but I think you're just a good teacher.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Okay, goat cheese.
Excellent.
Ta-da.
And this is it. So just as quick as that,
Okay.
we're going to take the pizza,
Yep.
slide it up on the board here.
Okay.
There we go. Just like the real pizzeria. These are our special ovens. So this is the Turbo Chef. We're going to slide it right in there. Pizza goes in, just like we saw in the first segment. And then there's 90 seconds.
Wow.
Here down at the bottom. So it's as easy as that.
That's amazing. Okay, thanks, Mike. Coming up in the next segment, we're going to take a look at my pizza and we're going to show you, and I am going to make a sandwich. But for now, I'm going to send things back inside the studio.
Woohoo!
So many different types of pizzas, so many different types of sandwiches. This place has it all. We are at Pizzeria Bros here in Hamilton. I'm being joined by Mike. We just made my favorite pizza, which is the one with the
Goat's cheese.
Goat's cheese and
Yeah, we call it actually the goat.
It's called the goat.
Called the goat, yeah.
Okay, that's my favorite one. It's got vegetables, goat cheese, and I made it, and that's probably why it looks a little sloppy. But Mike
great.
is now making one of your
perfect
signature
charge.
sandwiches. What one are you making?
So this is going to be the piri piri chicken.
The which?
Piri piri chicken.
Piri piri chicken. Where did you come up
Yeah.
with these names?
So the spicy piri piris from South America,
Okay.
actually. Yeah, so we're gonna put the chicken on like that, a little bit spicy, which is nice. We've got the cheese. So it's the same signature pizza dough that we use for all of our pizzas.
That's so different, and I love that.
Yeah,
That's
it's
a
really
cool
nice. So it's
concept.
the same 90 seconds, a little bit of piri piri sauce that goes on top, and again, it's that 90 seconds. So here we are. It's popped right in the oven. We do 90 seconds here.
Okay, tell the viewers about the oven again, because I think
Yeah,
this is key.
so it's a Turbo Chef. It's a stone bake oven. It works off convection. So there's misconception that this is microwaved or something quick, can't be great. Completely not the case. These ovens have a stone baked taste, almost that wood-fired feel to it.
Yeah.
So delicious, really, really good. And they just happen to be so high temperature. They sit at about 700 degrees, so the temperature is where we make them quick, and we make them really fast. So along those same lines too, we do catering. So we can do catering.
That's right.
Yeah, absolutely. Small business, big business, whatever needs, we can do as many pizzas as you need in a very short period of time. So it's great too.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, so anybody interested in catering, please reach out, pizzeriabros.com, and
Okay.
we can get your catering orders together for sure.
Okay, so there you have it. They have all sorts of different types of pizzas, sandwiches. They've got French fries. They've got everything your little heart desires here at Pizzeria Bros.
Everything.
Everything. We're going to be taking a look into the dining room coming up in our next segment. Lots more coming up on Morning Live, including tasting this amazing sandwich and, of course, the yummy pizza. Not only can you just come in and get takeout service from Pizzeria Bros, but you can actually dine in this sweet little space back here.
Thank you, thank you. This is our favorite little space here. Oh, let's make some room
Ooh,
for
we've got
Mike.
2 more pizzas.
Yeah.
Okay, if I must. It's really sweet back here.
Thank you.
It's really nice. So people can come in, they can get takeout.
Yep, so people can walk in, get takeout, be out of here within, like I said, 3-4 minutes. Or we have a lovely little dining room area. We have a couple spots at the back, at the front. And also, as we mentioned, part of the business is doing catering as well. Because we can do pizzas and sandwiches so quickly.
Yeah.
There's a big demand for this type of food for
this
lunch.
type of service,
Yeah,
for sure.
yeah.
Yeah, that's incredible. Let's talk about what we have here. Apparently, one of these is an award-winning pizza.
Yes, so this is the award-winning pizza. So this is the prosciutto crudo. We were in a contest. It was a national contest with Saputo DoorDash, and Saputo nominated us as #1 pizza in Canada.
Wow!
So we're very proud of it. This is a very traditional pizza with some fresh ingredients like arugula. We have
Okay.
some fior di latte. You know, we have a 3-blend mozzarella, and obviously the prosciutto. We drizzle it with a little bit of honey, so it's that sweet, savory type.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, you'll have to.
It's pretty good for like award-winning in 90 seconds.
I agree.
That's incredible.
Thank you.
What else do we have here?
So we chose a couple of, the pepperoni and cheese, right, is a classic pizza. We did your favorite, which is the goat. So it has some goat cheese, some balsamic veg. Mike had mentioned we do amazing sandwiches with our homemade pizza dough. So I think we're probably one of the only ones who do this as far as I know.
It's a cool concept.
Yeah. So we can basically make a sandwich with the pizza dough. This is our Portuguese. It's one of our most popular. It's got some piri-piri chicken, mozzarella. We put some fritas on it to give it a little bit of a crunch, some fresh arugula, and then you have the Portuguese sandwich.
Wow.
Yeah. We do salad. So this is just a very simple, elegant arugula salad with artichokes, goat cheese, and cherry tomatoes, balsamic, house-made balsamic vinaigrette. And of course, you can't have
Anything without French fries.
without French fries.
Julie, I think you and I are going to become really good friends.
Good. I hope you're back. I hope you come back for sure.
Well, thanks for having us.
Thank you. We
had a
really
wonderful
appreciate
time.
it.
We're excited to eat all of this food. Pizzeria Bros in Hamilton. Come, check it out. What's your Instagram?
Pizzeria Bro Hess.
Pizzeria Bros in Hess Village. Of
Correct,
course,
yes.
In Hamilton. So come, check it out, and try some of these amazing pizzas.